Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Do you love the feel of your PlayStation 4 controller, but wish you could use it for all your retro GameCube and Wii games? Well, you absolutely can. We'll show you the most reliable way to connect your trusty DualShock 4 to Dolphin Emulator on your PC. It's surprisingly straightforward to set up, letting you dive into your favorite titles with your preferred gamepad. Get ready for a smooth, enjoyable gaming session. Before we begin, let's gather our tools. Of course, you'll need your PlayStation 4 controller, either connected via a good quality USB cable or through a reliable Bluetooth adapter for wireless play. Have the Dolphin emulator ready on your PC, ideally the latest version for best compatibility. And finally, the cornerstone of this setup, the DS4 Windows application. This powerful tool tricks your PC into recognizing your DS4 as an Xbox controller, which Dolphin understands perfectly. Now let's get DS4 Windows up and running. First, head to the official Ryotchen 7 GitHub page to download the latest version. Avoid other sources for security. Once downloaded, extract the files to a folder you can easily find, then simply launch the DS4 Windows application. It will likely prompt you to install a few drivers. Just follow the on-screen instructions. This step is vital, as these drivers enable your computer to properly communicate with your PlayStation 4 controller. With DS4 Windows running in the background and your controller connected, open up Dolphin Emulator. Go to Controllers in the main menu. Under Port 1, select Standard Controller and then click Configure. Here's where you'll map all your buttons. Just click on each button in Dolphin, then press the corresponding button on your PlayStation 4 controller. Remember to save your profile after you're done mapping so you don't lose your settings. If you run into any hiccups, don't worry. Always make sure DS4 Windows is open and shows your controller as connected before you even launch Dolphin. Sometimes, a quick restart of your PC or trying a different USB port can surprisingly fix things if you're experiencing connectivity issues. Once everything is configured, just load up your beloved GameCube or Wii game. You're now ready to enjoy hours of classic gaming, all from the comfort of your PlayStation 4 controller.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.